Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how we can install Node and npm for the very first time in our system. As you can see, if I type a node -v in terminal, it says no such file or directory. Similarly, if I type npm -v, it gives the same result, no such file or directory. It means Node and npm are not installed yet. For installing it, we have to follow some set of commands which I have written over here. So these are four commands. At the end of fourth command, we can see when we type node -v and npm -v, we can see that the node and npm are installed. So let's go. First step, what we have to do, we have to download the latest star.exe file from Node's official website, node.js.org, and in the download section we will find our package. So I'm on the Linux system, so I will download Linux binaries x64, and then when I click here, I will get the package downloaded in my system. So I am going to the downloads folder, and if I show you in the downloads folder, I have already downloaded the xz file or package. Here you can see that. So when I run the command, which is the second command, so at tar and then this one, package name, tar -xf and then package name, I will get this file. So let's do that, tar -xf and then this, and when I do that, I will get the its folder as extracted. So I think it's here, yes, and we will follow the next command as sudo mv and then node version to this folder, user local bin. What we are doing, we are just moving this directory, whatever in this directory, to this specified directory, user local bin. So sudo mv and then x64 /bin /star /bin /star to user local bin. And after doing that, we have to move the node modules folder to user local lib. So sudo mv node x64 /lib /node modules to user local lib /user local lib. That's it, and that's it, that's done. And if I do now node -v, I will get that my version 20 is currently installed, and if I do npm -v, then I will see that version 10 is installed. So thanks for watching this video.